How to delete Yelp app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete the Yelp app on an Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here simply tap on manage apps, and after that you'll be prompted to the page where you can see the list of all your installed apps. So here at the top simply tap on the search bar and simply search for Yelp. And now here on the result page simply tap on the Yelp, and here once you're inside app settings, there you can see the option labeled as uninstall at the bottom center of the screen. So just tap on it, and now here on the confirmation page just tap on OK, and after that your Yelp will be deleted. And that's it. That's how you can delete Yelp app on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.